Hello everyone, we are the group Vision Gladiators. Problem statement: accessibility and inclusive design, creating innovative transportation and infrastructure solutions that are inclusive and accessible for people with disabilities, ensuring equal access to mobility options and enhancing the overall urban experience.
I am Dhanvith from class 8.
I'm Vishnu from class 8.
And I'm Sriram from class 8.
Our primary research involved talking to 11 visually impaired students from the government school for the visually impaired deaf and dumb in Mysore. The results were striking. Almost all of them said that they were unable to enjoy the freedom using public transport for both intracity and intercity traveling by using public transport.
Globally, over 2.2 billion people face vision impairment, with 1 billion cases that could have been prevented or remain untreated. Current initiatives like TransLink braille signage at bus stops and an RFID-based bus detection system have enhanced accessibility. Now let's talk about our solution. We want cities where everyone can easily use public transportation. To achieve this, we are using an advanced technology in buses. When the bus gets near to a stop, signals help people who are visually impaired. There are also a central server that makes sure the communication is synchronized using bus stop Wi-Fi.
Inside the bus, there's a button that plays announcements in real time. This helps everyone, especially those with visual impairments, know about their arriving bus using our travel vision stick. Our goal is to make public transportation easy and independent for everyone. Components like Node MCU, jumper wires, micro switches, and speaker all are powered by rechargeable power bank, make up our innovative solution.
The travel vision stick not only enhances accessibility but symbolizes the positive impact of technology on the lives of individuals with disabilities. It fosters independence and ease of navigation and contributes to more inclusive and equitable society.
Join us in creating a future where everyone, regardless of their visual abilities, can actively participate in public transportation. The Travel Vision Stick, redefining mobility, fostering inclusivity.